Hi, I am Sayed. I will teach you the Chinese language from start to end. Just keep in touch with my lessons. I will try my best to present you my skills to develop your conversation with Chinese. Our first lesson is the greetings part. Let's start. Hi, or hello.
你好，
Good morning.
早上好，
Good afternoon.
下午好，
Good evening.
晚上好，
Good night.
晚安，
How are you?
你好吗？
And you?
你呢？
I'm fine, thanks.
我很好，谢谢。
Good.
好，
Okay.
好的，
All right.
好的，
Bad.
不好，
Great.
太好了，
I'm not well, thanks.
我身体不好，谢谢。
My name is.
我的名字是
What's your name?
你叫什么名字？
See you later.
回头见，
Goodbye.
再见，
Bye.
再见。
Take care.
保重。
How about you?
你怎么样？
I'm pleased to meet you.
我很高兴见到你。
Nice to meet you.
很高兴见到你。
It's been a while.
有一阵子了。
Can you speak English?
你能说英语吗？
I can speak Chinese a little.
我会说一点中文吗？
I can't speak Chinese.
我不会说中文。
Where are you from?
你从哪里来？
I am from country.
我来自国家。
How old are you?
你多大了？
I am 30 years old.
我31岁。
I'm years old.
我岁。
If you want to practice at home, you can take the images from the description link given below. And for the second part, please see the playlist.